Hello everyone, welcome back again to Debziesdelight. Actually, I welcome myself back because it's been so long. I'm happy to be back here today. I'm here to announce that I am bringing your way Vlogmas! Yay! 20 days of Vlogmas, who knows? It could be 30, so help me God. But definitely I'm doing Vlogmas this season, and it is a way for me to showcase amazing recipes to, spice up this festive season. So if you're on board with me, type yes in the comment section and we will do this together. So today is Vlogmas day 1. There's going to be day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and who knows, up to day 30. But if I'm not able to do day 30, as you all know, I'm a new mom here, and so bear with me. So today is the first day of Vlogmas. If you are new here, my name is Debbie and the name of the channel is Debziesdelight. If you haven't subscribed, can I just use this opportunity to tell you to please subscribe, hit on the notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you will be instantly notified. So if you're on board with me, type yes in the comment section and look out for all the amazing recipes coming your way. Vlogmas day 1 today. Tomorrow I'm bringing something special, so stay tuned and let's do this together.